Can I teach you a new word today? The new word is Enertivity. Enertivity. It's all about learning the core concept of how to control you, how to make you a better person. And I think it comes down to this new word I want to teach you, Enertivity. Come check it out. See for yourself. Hi, I'm Brett, your favorite shrink, and welcome back. Welcome back to another My 5 Minds. This is where we're learning about systems or systemology with a P. And in systemology with a P, what we want to do is help you be better, feel better, do better by learning how your brain works as a system and begin to break that system down. Today, I want to work on one part of the system. It's your energy system. Inside of you, you got emotions. And we always want to control and understand our emotions because we want to change our emotions. Intuitively, we all know our emotions are driving us. And we want to change that. A lot of Western thinkers want to get rid of emotions and not have emotions drive us at all. But that's not going to happen. That doesn't work. That's not the way the brain works. Emotions drive you, like it or not. So instead of trying to get rid of emotions, what I want to do is I want to help you understand your emotions. And today, I want to help you understand your emotions as energy. Because that's what they are. Your emotions are patterns of energy being projected from your limbic system down through your nervous system and out into the peripheral system. And it's that energy that's being generated through your body that drives you, that causes you to do everything that you do. I want to help you understand that. But I can't. You can't change that or understand that unless you begin to become aware of this energy within you. This energy that makes your emotions. And that's where I come up with this new word, Enertivity. Enertivity is made up of two words. One word is energy. So we take the first four letters of energy, Ener, and then we take sensitivity, which is to be aware of or to feel. And we're going to add that end of sensitivity to the beginning of energy. So we have energy, sensitivity, Enertivity, right? Now, in Enertivity, what you want to do is you want to learn to begin to regulate what is happening energetically within your body. Think of it as two kind of patterns. Energy has a frequency. The amount of energy a wavelength will have will change how high and how low the wave will travel. That's basic frequency. No, that's basic amplification. Sorry about that. And so it's the intensity of our energy that affects our emotions, partly. When you're feeling down, for example, down is not an emotion. But down, if I told you I was feeling down, you'd know exactly what I'm feeling. What I'm saying is my energy level is down. What if I said, I am feeling up today? Well, what emotion would you think I was feeling? Excited? Happy? Positive? Sure. Because more energy produces an excitement, an arousal. Woohoo! And that is part of the sensitivity that I want to begin to become aware of. Because the amount of energy I have does affect my mood. But there's another factor that affects your mood as well. And that is how the energy is moving. See, energy cannot be static. Energy is always going somewhere. If energy stops, it stops being energy. So it's always moving. The question is, where is your energy moving? And I'll give you two choices. Not to complicate things, right? Keep things simple. Energy is either moving out, expanding through you, out to outside of you, or energy is moving in, collapsing within you. I think of it visually for myself as a black hole where my energy is collapsing in on itself and sucking everything inward. All the energy outside, it's also bringing inward and collapsing in myself. Or I picture myself like a sun, bright, radiant, radiating through me, radiating out and around me, open. And these two gestures basically represent how that energy is flowing for me. Now, what's interesting, if you think about it, and I hope you will right now, is that if you think about all emotions, happy, mad, glad, sad, hurt, afraid, joy, peace. If you think about any emotion, you will notice as you begin to create what's called Enertivity, is that you'll begin to notice that all positive emotions have flow. All positive emotions radiate outward. Through you, in you, around you, outward. And all negative emotions collapse within you. Think about it. Love. Real love. True love. Radiating, glowing, flowing, expanding. Absolutely. Hate. The opposite, maybe, right? The opposite of love. Hate. Collapsing. Feel it. Think about it. When I hate something or hate somebody, I may be hating that thing, but what in truth is my energy doing? It's moving inward. It's collapsing in on myself. I am focused more on me than I am on that thing. Hurt. Again, collapse. Excited. Again, expanding. Open. Flowing. Peace. Calm. I love peace and calm. Peace and calm is a cool one because we oftentimes get into the illusion or delusion that the amount of energy we have is positive or negative. And that's not the case. I can have low energy, like in the example of peace, but feel that energy expansive, open, flowing. I'm reading a book, I'm listening to music, I'm meditating. In all of those circumstances, my energy is not collapsed on me, but it's open. It's free. Can you feel it? How about hurt? Sorrow? Depression? Definitely depression, sorrow, hurt. They're low energy and they're collapsed. My energy is focused inward. My energy is focused on me. And focus is an important part of beginning to regulate our enertivity. But right now we're just becoming aware of our enertivity. So we'll give you more techniques. I'll give you more techniques later on how to control your energy. But right now I just want you to feel it. And I want you to feel this basic truth that we've just said. That energy has two dimensions to it. It has the amplitude, how high and low the waves move, vibrate. That changes the kind of energy we have. But also, how the energy is moving. Is it moving and expanding outside of us? Or is it collapsing and moving inside of us? In terms of waves and energy, the way we think of energy as waves, you can think of it as wavelengths. As the wavelength collapses and shortens, we start to experience more negative emotions. But as the wavelength expands and lengthens between peak to peak, crest to crest, we feel more positive emotions. So the amount of energy in terms of how high and low the waves work within our body, and the frequency in terms of how it stretches out also affects our emotion. And in fact, that affects our emotions more dramatically. It's the difference between positive and negative emotions. Homework, always homework for you, because I want you to develop not just this internal knowledge, I want you to experience truth. And the more you experience truth is the more when you're going to actually get it to work for you. So here's what I want you to do this week. I want you to focus on Enertivity. I want you to begin to become aware of what your energy is doing. The amount of energy, the amplification that's going on inside of your body, and the frequency. What the wavelengths are doing. Are the wavelengths collapsed? Are you collapsed? Are you shutting down? Or are you expanding? Are you open? Is the frequency of the wavelengths extending out farther and farther and farther? I want you to begin to become aware of those two things. Feel it for yourself. Do not believe anything I'm telling you. I want you to experience it for you. Now, if you like this video, like the video. And I'd also love it if you would go on our website, brettrwilliams.com. And I want you to check out some of the other videos we have there, the books, resources I have there for you as well. And maybe leave a question that we can answer for you. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I'm Brett R. Williams, your favorite shrink. And you're watching My 5 Minds. Take care.